Modena Automobili has revealed the project MA01 Restomod, a Maserati Biturbo-Shamal with modern internals and a whole lot of power. The MA01 is based on an original Shamal chassis. It also retains the boxy exterior, albeit with subtle upgrades, including LED lighting, a carbon fiber body kit, wider wheel arches, and bigger wheels. The rear fascia has been heavily revised and now features an integrated spoiler and quad exhausts. Under the hood, the original Maserati Biturbo-Shamal's 326 horsepower, 3.2-liter V8 replaced by the modern Maserati Ghibli S twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6. The engine is custom-tuned to generate more power in coordination with a Ghibli S 8-speed ZF gearbox that's capable of gear shifting in a mere 150 milliseconds. More internal components push the twin-turbo V6's capability to generate 500 horsepower. In the end, the Shamal hits a top speed of 177 miles per hour and goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Limited production Modena Automobili is producing only 33 examples of the Biturbo-Shamal Restomod, approximately $638,000, making it an exclusive and highly sought-after vehicle. Each car is meticulously crafted to the highest standards, ensuring that every owner receives a truly unique and exceptional driving experience.